In recent years, the U.S. Air Force has been exploring futuristic air combat concepts, like distributed operations, unmanned strike swarms, and stealth drones mostly on paper. Meanwhile, the Chinese Air Force has already started turning these concepts into operational reality. The recent deployment of the Xuanlong 08 drone alongside the J-20S stealth fighter and J-16D electronic warfare aircraft marks a major leap forward. Unlike conventional drones, Xuanlong 08 is designed to operate seamlessly with manned fighters, sharing the same command, network, and performing a variety of missions, including stealth, reconnaissance, anti-radiation strikes, and deep penetration operations. This is not a solo platform. The J-20S acts as the command node, coordinating multiple drones, while the J-16D suppresses enemy air defenses through electronic warfare. The Xuanlong 08 drones then strike in coordinated Wolfpack formations, overwhelming radar networks and multiplying the effectiveness of precision missiles. The system represents a next-generation integrated air combat network where manned and unmanned aircraft work together to confuse and bypass enemy defenses. Radar systems struggle to identify which platform is launching an attack, while drones can penetrate in large numbers without significant risk. China's leading drone production capability allows these stealth wingmen to operate in mass formations, maintaining persistent presence and operational flexibility.